If you're searching for homes for sale in San Diego under $1 million range with 4 bedrooms plus a loft and over 2,000 square feet, then you are gonna wanna see this one. No, seriously, because today we're touring a 4-bedroom home in San Diego's Otay Mesa area that checks a lot of boxes buyers are asking for right now. Let's check it out. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about moving to San Diego, then subscribe and click that bell for notifications so that you could be the first to know about the current market here in San Diego, California. My name is Victoria Sandoval and I'm with Select Premier Properties. We get calls from people just like you every single day. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out. My contact information is on the description below, and I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to San Diego. Hi everyone, I'm Victoria Sandoval, your San Diego real estate broker with over 23 years of experience helping people buy and sell homes in San Diego County. And if you're searching for homes in South San Diego, Otay Mesa Real Estate, 4-bedroom homes in San Diego, or affordable San Diego family homes, you're in the right place because today we're touring 5630 Vista San Juanico in San Diego, California, located in the 92154 zip code near Otay Mesa and South San Diego. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a flex space, and over 2,100 square feet of living space, and the kind of layout families are specifically searching for right now. So today we're gonna walk you through the entire property and talk about what the home is like to live in, what buyers love about this neighborhood, and who this property is perfect for. All right, come on in, let's take a look. All right, welcome inside 5630 Vista San Juanico in San Diego. The first thing you'll notice when you walk into this home is space. The property offers over 2,166 square feet, and the layout immediately feels open and comfortable. One of the biggest things buyers searching for San Diego homes want today is the floor plan where the living area flows together, and that's exactly what this house delivers. This right here is the main living area, and if you're searching for 4-bedroom homes in San Diego for families, this is where the lifestyle really starts to make sense, because this space is where life happens. Movie nights, game nights, friends coming over, or let's be honest, the 3 episodes of Netflix turning into 6. You know exactly what I'm talking about. But what makes this room work out so well is the size. There's enough room for multiple seating areas without feeling crammed. And that's something that buyers are exactly looking for when searching for homes in San Diego. Now let's talk about the dining area. One of the most searched for features that buyers ask about when looking for homes in San Diego with an open floor plan. That's how the kitchen and the dining area connect. And this layout works really well. The dining area sits right in between the living space and the kitchen, which means when you have friends and family coming over, nobody gets stuck cooking alone. Someone's pouring drinks and someone is definitely eating appetizers before dinner. You know who that is. All right, kitchen time. This is the room that makes or breaks the house. This kitchen gives you good counter space, good cabinetry, and a layout that keeps you connected to the real house, which is exactly what families want, because you can cook, talk, supervise, homework, and keep the conversation going all at once. And let's be honest, you can order takeout and pretend you cooked. No judgment. All right, let's head upstairs and check out the bedrooms, because this is where the home really becomes your personal retreat. One of the biggest advantages of this home is the 4-bedroom layout. Buyers searching for family homes in San Diego love this because it gives you options. Kids room, guest rooms, home office, gym, or the room where all the Amazon packages mysteriously end up. That happens too. This primary bedroom comes with a balcony and a beautiful view. You have to check it out. And if you're searching for San Diego homes with primary suites, this is definitely one that delivers. There is plenty of room here for a king-size bed, for additional furniture, and enough space to move around comfortably. This becomes your quiet space at the end of the day. Morning coffee, relaxing evenings, close the door after a long day, sometimes just escaping the chaos. Quick question for you. If you were living in this house, what would you do with this room first? Would you make it a game night room? Would you host friends? Would you have a movie night? Tell me in the comments. If you're in search of a home in San Diego, make sure to subscribe because we release videos every week in this county. one of the first questions that people ask when searching for homes in Otay Mesa in San Diego is, what's the neighborhood like? And this area is known for something very specific: space. Homes in this part of South San Diego were built in the early 2000s, which means you tend to get larger floor plans, more bedrooms, family-friendly streets. This is the kind of neighborhood where you still see people walking dogs, riding bikes, neighbors actually talking to each other. Yep, those still exist. And not to mention, this home sits on a cul-de-sac. You heard it, a cul-de-sac. Safe, space, cul-de-sac. You can't beat that. If you're interested in buying a home in San Diego or you want more information about this property at 5630 San Juanico, reach out to me directly. My contact information is on the description below. I'd love to help you find the right home here in San Diego. All right, everyone, that's the full tour of 5630 Vista San Juanico in San Diego. 4 bedrooms, over 2,000 square feet, plus a flex space, a great South San Diego location. I can definitely see someone building a great life here. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.